Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I am sitting down and catching up with some journaling, and Tiny Arm is here with me, waving away, so I'm throwing a curveball at you, as is the theme of 2020.
Pivot! Pivot!
And I didn't want to be in my Hobonichi weeks. I was really missing, the journaling that I used to do in my cousins. So, I was all of a sudden free one cousin notebook, which I'll talk about. So I turned it back into a journal. Stick around. So I'm going to be 100% frank with you. I love this Little Weeks, and I love my cover and the little die cuts, all of it. But I was missing my collage, and here is where you will recognize I turned my old cousin Avec into virtual learning planners for my kids. And this is an MD cover, notebook cover that you can buy, and then you can get jelly sheets on Amazon. This is just a quick tip, and if you don't want to sew a full jelly cover, you can just cut a square and tuck it in that front so it looks like a jelly cover without any work at all. So there you go, boom. The virtual learning journey that we embarked upon was an epic.
Epic! Miserable fucking fail!
Oh my lord, it was terrible. And it had nothing to do with the teachers. They were fantastic, absolutely phenomenal. It was just a bad fit for our family. For whatever reason, it just didn't work. Brought out the worst in all of us. And I have good kids, I really do. This was just not great. It was not good. And our school gave us so much grace and said, hey, come on back in person. We'd love to see the kids. Slap on a mask and drop them off. And I said, basically, hell yeah. Sign me up. How soon can we start? So that means I combined their virtual learning planners into one because I just won't need that much space, but I do want to keep up with the things that they're doing, and I have a feeling that maybe if we do go into quarantine and whatnot, that things will get switched to home and I'll want to keep track of different stuff. So I turned one of the journals into or one of the planners, back into a journal. And I'm so thrilled. You guys, I was so excited doing this. I'm just decorating it right now. So I have so many stickers and cards and amazing things that you guys have sent me and that I've collected along the way. That I was just whipping them out and slapping them on this cover, and I loved the way it turned out. I really, really did. I've been keeping that Stuff is Hard cat for so long, and I just couldn't put him anywhere because I loved him so much. But that cat is like 2020 in a nutshell. So he went on the cover of the last half there. I got that little booklet of stickers. I think it's Sumiko Gurashi or something like that. I'm not saying it right. I'm sure I'm not. But I love that little character, whatever it is. And somebody sent me that booklet of stickers, and they're so cute. And then I used some of my Sugar and Sloth stickers that were from my subscription box. And I had forgotten to tell you guys that she sent me a goodie box full of stickers and stuff and postcards, seriously cute stuff, just to say thank you for mentioning her on my channel and stuff. And if you guys don't know about Sugar and Sloth, check her out, Anita Perry on Instagram. She's amazing. And then I had to put a Sasquatch sticker on there because I believe, and that's all. That's all there is to say about that. And let's see, I put in some stickers. Let's see, some hearts, just kind of here, there, and everywhere. And then I made sure to put myself an I tried ribbon on the cat because we tried. We tried. We really did. So on the back, I am putting one of the postcards that she sent me. So like I said, you need to check her out on Instagram, Anita Perry, Sugar and Sloth. She does have a subscription box. The tiny party box, and there's a pin box, and then I think also a sticker box. Maybe, this is where I'm really bad at promoting people, right? And I had the pin box. I actually put a hold on my pin box because I had so many pins that I was running out of places to put them. But they're so cute that I didn't want to. And so I was like sharing with my daughter, and I was like, I just got to put it on hold for a little bit. And then I loved that little world with the mask on it. That was, those were like die cuts that somebody had given me. And I just thought it was perfect. Because, like I said, 2020, and we can't forget these precious memories, right? So anyways, flipping forward to where we are in this hellacious year, I had flipped to Labor Day. Let's see. This was kind of a couple day catch up. Flipped to Labor Day and put down stickers. These are from maybe a Happy Planner sticker book. And then I glued in another of the postcards that that I was sent from Sugar and Sloth, and I just thought it was so stinking cute. Yes, you can totally do it. It's such a cute little like website and products, and oh my goodness. And then I put a little flag sticker so I could kind of realize when I was looking at the book where I started journaling in it, actually journaling from when it was like a planner or whatever. And then I put another little tab that said faith, because basically this is the point where I just got to give it up to God and have some faith and say, you know, what's going to happen is going to happen, but we couldn't continue on the path that we were on. It was just not successful for us. So I'm just going to just hope for the best. So I'm putting in stickers for Saturday. Let's see, I had to take Fatty to the vet because he needed some more insulin, and so he had to get lab work done for his yearly diabetes. And so that sticker was too perfect, or that little piece of packaging. It's like that ginormous cat. So, and then I cut out a lot of collage materials from Real Simple magazine and also from my son's scouting magazines. And this bear and the raccoon thing, they were from one of the scouting magazines. And I just loved how excited they were, because when I finally realized that things were not getting any better, and emailed the school last week and told them, you know, my kids, that it was an option to possibly go back, that was their faces, like just unbridled joy, like being released from prison. So I thought that was appropriate. And then I just used my little shapes sticker book, colorful shapes from Me and My Big Ideas Happy Planner, and kind of wrote in what the deal was. I'm just so happy that they were able to give us that grace and say, that's okay, you know, welcome us back. That was amazing of them. I cannot say thank you enough. And to all you teachers out there, in person, virtual, whatever, this year is a shit show, and you guys are nailing it. You are doing so well. So well. So just thank you for everything you're doing. And I put a giant ass Hello Weekend sticker on there because, man, was I happy to see the weekend. And then I have so many pieces of washi tape and stickers stuck to the side of my filming apparatus that I decided to just slap some of them down in here. So I put a little shape sticker next to the fat cat, just saying that we got Fatty's lab work back, and he is actually healthy as a moose. He looks like a moose. He just needs a little bit more insulin. Go figure. So he's not well controlled enough. So I just wrote that, but we're happy to hear that he's healthy. And then I put in some collage. This is from a Real Simple, and I tore it out last spring. That's the only thing you can do with a mess. Start cleaning it up a little at a time. And I loved this because everything seemed like a mess lately. Everything. And, you know, all you can do is take one little step at a time. Make one change that you think will help, and just keep putting one foot in front of the other. So that's kind of like what this weekend just sort of felt like, cleaning up a big giant ass mess. So, that we created ourselves. And then I put a little crock pot on there because Michael put a roast in the crock pot and it was so good. And also apple crisp in the oven. I put a big bee on there and a sheep sticker because I went over on Saturday night to sit with my parents for a little bit on their deck. I had a couple beers and got attacked by some bees. So that seemed appropriate. I don't know. And I love that Sumo Snacks sticker that I put. That was from Sugar and Sloth, the Tiny Party box. And I just put the Sumo Snacks on Fatty's little picture there. And let's see. I wanted to cut out this postcard because it was a tip-in, and you know how I love tip-ins. This just felt so fun, you guys. Like, I just missed doing this so much. And I guess the thing is, I'll still have my weeks, so if it gets too busy or it gets to be too much, I can go back and forth or I can do whatever I want. But, you know, if I want to do this, it's here and I can, which feels really good. And I wanted to write a quote that I had seen, and I thought it was perfect on the back of that heart postcard that I was sent from one of you lovely, lovely peeps. And then This Fall is in the Air. That little Coffee Monsters Co. card was also sent to me, and this week was cool. It was chilly, and it was rainy, and it felt so fall, and it was wonderful. It felt really, really nice. And I bought a candle from Bath and Body Works called Pumpkin Bonfire. Oh, holy deliciousness. It's not too pumpkin. It's just like slightly spicy and then woodsy, bonfire-y. Oh, but in the best possible way. It is the best smell that I've ever smelled in my entire life. So you must smell it, and I'm going to buy 7 backups because I'm burning it constantly, even though it's 85 today. But anyway, I spent all day Saturday cleaning the house and cleaning out the fridge, throwing away all the garbage, and resetting. And then I put in this little bird because I thought it was adorable. And those are little stickers that the kids made at school last year from an art project. And then I'm using my washi tapes that are from Japan. Maybe? Oh, now I'm second guessing that. But you can get those on one of those pen websites. And then I'm writing this quote about being a mom on the back of this card. And it says, "Breathe. Your kids need you, not perfect, but you, with your worries and your laughs and your fails and your try-agains, your love, your showing up. That's what really matters. Breathe, sweet mom." So I know that one of you needs to hear that. So breathe, sweet moms and dads out there. We'll get through this. It might take a lot of alcohol and some prescription medications, but we'll get there. Oh, and then I put this lady that's kind of like meditating or whatever. I haven't done that in quite some time, but it's kind of like what it felt like yesterday. Just try and relax and reset and reboot and take a deep breath and just hope for the best. So I put that on there, and I love this sticker that said "did my best" because I think the kids and I all did our best. It just wasn't a good fit. So, and then I loved this sticker. I think this is the Sassy Plans sticker book from Happy Planner. Maybe if we all sit extremely still, Monday won't be able to see us. We can hope, right? And then I'm putting some hearts on it and putting this "Let's Try Again" sticker on it. And I had forgotten to write in apple crisp. So I put that in, and man, apple crisp. I forgot how delicious it is with all of its butter and sugar. I had 2 gigantic bowls. Gigantic bowls. So for Monday, I stuck in, which is today, this little guy stuck out, cut out from one of the scouting magazines, and it's like a goldfish superhero, like zooming on his little goldfish car, and it just reminded me like of Henry going back to school and the kids because they're so excited, and he loves goldfish like a weird amount. He loves them. Even though he's 10, he eats goldfish all the time. So that was my little goldfish superhero. And then I had to throw in the things that they packed for school, like a mask and his little goldfish car and some books and some glasses. And then also from the Scouting magazine is the little, my favorite donkey guy up there that says, I love plans, especially when I don't have to come up with them. Which is basically my feeling about sending them back to school. Yeah, so I'm hoping it will be better for all of us. And then I cut out little cups of coffee and a thumbs up sign because I was going to drop them off and then head to my mom and dad's to have coffee for the first time since like March 10th, you guys. And these are my pages, and this is what's happening now, so buckle up. I'm sure it might change another 12 times before the end of 2020, but I'm happy, and I'm finally taking a deep breath and smiling, and so are my kids. So, just do you guys. Don't feel bad about anything. Just be ready to pivot. And I hope that you're doing well, staying healthy, and I will see you real soon and tell you about my Hobonichi order. Oh, bye.